I'm just starting the camera. But if it's sideways, oh well. This how the hair look. It has 4 combs in it, as I said before. Hey. The wig is cute. You take the wig and do it like that. You can take the hair, put it in a ponytail. Like this. Like that. Take it, put it in a ponytail. Do it like this. It's really cute. I like to wear it to the side like a side, but I like it swooped over. I like to wear it like it's swooped over. I think it's really cute. So yeah, this is the wig. Me putting it on. When I wear it a couple days, I'll let y'all see how it look. Wear a couple days. I'm gonna brush it. Maybe I can brush it a few times. My camera all the way sideways. This is some fucked up ass stand I got. I hate this stand. Let me see. The woman in this doctor's office probably like, what the hell is she doing? She been brushing her hair. Look how this hair is. It's super soft. I ain't even wash the shit. I just put it in. I didn't wash it. It was already clean. It smelled clean to me. Might not be clean, but it smelled like it had just got washed. Super pretty. Bring them out in the air for that money, yeah. You got it in one. Can you make it better? Chop out like himself. I'm just showing y'all me brushing her. Her hair's so fucking pretty. I just sit up and brush this shit out of it. I'm ordering me another wig. I want me a curly one too. Oh yeah, I'm gonna order this one out. I'm gonna refix my edges because they look a little rough. So I'm gonna refix them. Right. So this is the wig. And that's how the wig look. So I finally got. I don't have on any makeup or none of that, but the wig is fire. Like, really fire. You put it up in the ponytail, however you want to do it. Swing it back that way. However you want to do it. Cute. It's a cute wig. It's a cute wig. It's full. It got a lot of body. Look at that.